me taste the crab. Best served with rice. Mmm. That's flavorful. Hey guys, happy Father's Day. It's JdizzEats, and today we're gonna cook some chili garlic crab. Since we don't have boiling crab in Canada, we do, but it's called Captain's Boil. Why not make it at home, our own version of our boiling crab? But this is chili garlic crab and shrimp. So good. Recommend trying one. And watch out, we'll make the Cajun next time, but this time it's chili garlic. And let's get into it. To make this chili garlic shrimp and crab, we're gonna need some crushed garlic, salted butter, you can use regular, chili garlic sauce, our main ingredient, and you can find this on any Asian stores. Southern king crab, you can use any crab, but we love king crab, our favorite, and shrimp. First of all, put some oil, just not to burn, some butter, and put your stove to low heat. When the butter is halfway melting, we're going to put all the crushed garlic on the stove. Once you see those garlic starting to brown a bit, a lot, we're going to place our shrimp now on the pan. The crabs, plus the crab, don't forget that too, with the shrimp together. Those garlic onto the crab and shrimp, so you get those flavor on both of them. You need that flavor. Now we're gonna put some chili garlic sauce in there. Mix it. This could be 6 tablespoons for us, but it depends on how many spice you want on your chili garlic shrimp and crab. Cover and simmer until the shrimp and crab are cooked thoroughly. Chili garlic shrimp and crab served. It's best served with rice, new fresh rice. Bon appetit, enjoy, and let's eat. Let's give this a taste. JdizzEats the chili garlic shrimp and crab, and I didn't realize my mom added scallops. I did not know that. So you can put any seafood in here. Let me taste the crab. Best served with rice. Mmm. That's flavorful. Never go wrong with crab. And if you see my mukbang video, the seafood on my sister's and dad's birthday, check it out. It's a good video. And we're gonna take the scallops. So good, so flavorful, and you can never stop eating this. It's like making me want to have some more and more. And then shrimp. That's so good. Look at that. So guys, that would be it for the video. If you do enjoy on how to make chili garlic shrimp and crab, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guys, this is JdizzEats, and bye.